Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever found yourself scrolling endlessly through charts in TradingView, just trying to get to a specific date or time frame, you're going to love this tutorial. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to jump straight to any date you want in TradingView quickly, easily, and without any frustration. By the end of this video, you'll know how to navigate to any point in market history, whether you're looking to analyze a major event, review past trades, or just satisfy your curiosity. Alright, let's dive right in. The very first thing you'll want to do is open up TradingView. You can do this on your browser or in the TradingView app if you've got it installed, whichever works best for you. Once you're in, you'll be greeted with the main dashboard. It's here where all the magic happens, so take just a second to familiarize yourself if you haven't before. Next up, you'll need to choose the specific product or asset you're interested in. This could be stocks, forex pairs, cryptocurrencies, whatever you want to analyze. You'll find the search bar usually at the top of the page where you can type in the ticker symbol or name. Once you select your product, the chart for that asset will load up. Think of this as choosing your ride before setting off on a journey. Make sure you're looking at the right chart for your goals. Now underneath the chart itself, in the region TradingView refers to as the data grid area, you'll find lots of useful controls. For today's task, we're looking for the option called Go To. The quickest way to access this is by simply pressing Alt+G on your keyboard. You don't have to hunt around with your mouse. That shortcut brings up the date navigation tool instantly. So go ahead and try that now. If you're on a Mac, it might be Option+G, but Alt+G works for most setups. Once you've opened the Go To function, you'll see a selector for choosing a specific date. This is where TradingView really shines for analysis. Say, for example, you want to look at what happened right after a big news announcement last year, or maybe you're backtesting a strategy and need to see the market's behavior on a certain day. Just type in the date you're interested in, maybe August 9th, 2021, for instance, and TradingView will zoom the chart straight to that point in time. No more endless scrolling or guesswork. And here's a great tip. You aren't limited to just one day. If you want to analyze a period, like seeing how the market moved between August 9th and August 20th, you can enter a custom range right there. This is perfect for examining trends, volume spikes, or price action over a few days, which is often crucial for swing traders or anyone learning from historical data. If you're doing research for a big trade, or even just exploring, the custom range saves so much time. Once you've chosen your date or range, TradingView will instantly adjust the chart and display only the data from your selected window. Take a moment to zoom in or out and explore what's happening during that time. This is a powerful way to enhance your analysis. You're looking directly at the data that matters most to you without any clutter. And really, that's all there is to it. A few simple steps and you can jump to any date or period you want, making your TradingView experience smoother and much more efficient. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and give the video a like. If you have any questions or want to share how you use the date navigation feature, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you and helping out where I can. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more practical trading tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy charting.